Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'll be posting an analysis on Bitcoin USD. I've been looking at the market. I have an updated view, and I want to start on the weekly time frame. So this is the long-term outlook on Bitcoin, and we are seeing this was the previous supply back in 2017. And you're seeing the market touched this supply, sort of retraced and then broke above. So our flip zone is seated right here. And if you look at the present day reaction after Bitcoin went up this high, came back down to this flip zone, reacted off the flip zone, formed a new flip zone here, then mitigated this supply. So we have a possible retracement back to another flip zone and a fair value gap, or pushing higher towards another fresh order block seated at 37,747. So we anticipate it can go in either way, but let me just go down to the daily time frame. And I want to go back to the flip zone. So this is the flip zone that was formed, touched the supply, went lower, went up higher. So it mitigated the flip zone. And what is happening currently, you're seeing, is that the market came back to this flip zone, formed this high, didn't touch the flip zone, formed this high sponsored this low. It came back into this supply, didn't break, formed a low, formed another high, came back down. There's a fair value gap that was mitigated here, broke even higher. And what you're seeing is this was a previous fresh order block that has been mitigated already. Now, what we are seeing is that there is a flip zone seated here, and this is the low that sort of broke this high. So there's this flip zone seated here, and there's a fair value gap. So presently, what we are witnessing is that we saw a break of structure. This is on the daily time frame. We have a break of structure here, or rather, this will be a change of character on the daily, but on the 4-hour, it's a break of structure, and then another secondary break of structure. So what we are anticipating, personally, what I'm anticipating is a move to the downside. It may not necessarily be an aggressive move to the downside, but it will be a move to the flip zone at 19,000, 20,000, or even 18,000, and then a resumption back to 37,000. In the rare occasion, it's likely to push higher towards 37,000, then push lower. If I go to the 4-hour time frame, we're only monitoring this segment. 4-hour time frame, there was a change of character here. Allow me to just mark this afresh. This was a change of character. Good. And then formed this low. Then this low was broken. You see the low was broken to tap into this demand zone. So what we are presently witnessing is we are likely to see a reaction. Let me just draw it. We are likely to see some reaction, tap into the demand, maybe a retracement, then break and come down here. So this is my preferred, and this is just a preference. I'm not saying the market will go like that, but chances are there's a high probability the market will slide down to the 20,000 level and then push slightly higher. So thank you guys for taking time. I will be posting additional videos, but this is the one that I have an accurate update of where I think the market will go next. Thank you very much. I wish you successful trading.